Hello guys, in this video we will bring it something new rather than the education that everyone wants to know about girls. So we bring it something interesting physiological facts about girls you should know. So let's start. So girls are twice more talkative than the boys. It's obviously everyone know about this. So next, girls learn to talk and use sentence early and learn to read more rapidly than the boys. Girls are better than boys at remembering the faces. Women take long time to make decisions than the men, but once they make a decision, they are more likely to stick it off. Females have a low breathing rate in comparison to males. It's because they talk more so. Females are better at multitask than the males. For this, the better example was our mothers. We all know that they are multitaskers. We even can't imagine that how they will manage all the things. So let's take another. Girls more like to say I'm sorry because they are more likely to think that they have done something wrong. So females have twice as many pain receptors on their body than males, but a much higher tolerance than the males. Girls are more emotional in comparison to men, and even girls are more anxious and fearful than boys. Women deal with the stress by joining socializing with each other, whereas men love to fly away. He will get flight with other. And girls don't want an honest answer to the question, how am I looking? And sex are more physical for male and more emotional for the females. And women are better at communicating than the men. And also, the women process the information and thoughts more rapidly than the men. Women seems to use both sides of the brain for solving a problem, whereas men seems to use the left side of the brain for solving problems. At last, the most truthful fact of girls was the 70% of girls use silenceness to express their pain. So here we completed our video. If you liked this, please hit a like, and which of the facts you liked the most, comment in the section and subscribe our channel.